That escalated quickly.
What is going on, YouTube land? This is Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this video, go ahead and check out my Instagram profile on the left. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and do that. And if you enjoy this video by the end of it, go ahead and give me the thumbs up. All right, on to the video. So I'm pretty excited. I actually got a package from Supreme on time, a week later than the drop happened. Now, judging from the title, you already know what this is. So let's get into this unboxing. So I already took the item out of the box. Here's the bag, and I actually cut it when I was opening the box, but who cares? And of course, I get the standard box logos, 2 of them, because I never get themed stickers. And here is a white box, opening it, and it says the English Pewter Company with the box logo right here. And what else? Sheffield, England. So this was made in Sheffield, England. Opening the box, you see a bag, a velvet bag, and it says Supreme right here, the box logo right here. It has some directions on how to take care of the flask because it is made out of pewter, and it has a funnel so you could pour your drinks into it, into the flask. Put the box down. Now let's open the bag. So we are met with more foam, and here we go. Here is the flask. Now I'll be honest, looking at pictures on like Instagram and whatnot or other YouTube videos, I didn't think this was going to be a legit product, but this looks good in hand for sure. And before we start talking about this particular flask, let's talk about the manufacturer. So again, the English Pewter Company. It is a company based out of Sheffield, England. I don't think they have any stores here in the United States, but they do have a website that you can go to. And reading their history, reading their about me, it sounds like they're still a mom and pop shop. They were conceived in 1977. And looking at their staff directory, it looks like they have anywhere from 30 to 100 people running this company. The English Pewter Company has a focus, or their line of business is specializing in customizing pewter products. So they do anything up from like cheese knives to letter openers to engraving onto wine glasses. I guess the American equivalent would be like a Things Remembered store that you would see at the mall or go to their website to get things customized from. And just taking a look at their product listing on the website, it's funny, I came across this exact flask. It was a blank flask, no customization, and it cost $68. And it's kind of cool to know that because you look on the website, their website, and then you look on Supreme, you know Supreme's not making too much money off of this unless they got a really good deal like on the back end of things. All right, now let's start talking about this specific flask. The blank version was going for $68 on the English Pewter Company's website. Now going to the Supreme website, this was retailing at $74. Add $10 to that for shipping and handling, the total being $84. Looking on apps like StockX or Grailed, you can see this item going for like $110, $120. You're not making too much in terms of resale, maybe anywhere from like $25 to $50 in resale. This flask is actually 11 centimeters long and 3.5 centimeters in diameter. The body of this flask is made out of pewter, and you can see the box logo is prominent and engraved into the side of the flask. On the bottom of the flask, it actually says English Pewter Company, manufactured or made in Sheffield, England. And that's also engraved into the flask. The cap of the flask is made out of brass. And on the top of that, it says Supreme Manufacturing Company. Fuck what you heard. Now let's unscrew it. So in unscrewing the flask, you have the cover for the flask, and then you actually have the cover for the mouthpiece of the flask. Cool stuff. And they all look shiny. It's just, this is all done up in brass. It's pretty cool. And if I didn't mention, this flask carries up to 4 ounces of liquid. The question is, what are you gonna put inside your flask? Are you gonna put your Stranded Hands whiskey from Colorado? Are you gonna pour your Obey Hennessy into it? Is that even allowed, being that it's Obey and Supreme? Or are you gonna pour your Blue Label into it? Decisions. But I want it all, so I get it all. And if you decide not to drink out of this, I do think that this is a nice piece to keep in your glass display. And if I'm going to be honest, I do like this a lot. I think it's more of a premium item than the flask that they were offering with that collaboration with Stanley. Definitely loving this. So what are your thoughts? Did you buy into this flask? What else did you get in week 9 if you didn't cop this? Let me know down in the comments below. Hit that thumbs up if you truly enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. All right, that's it. I'll check you later. Cheers.